Established in 1989, Sany Group is a top 3 construction and mining equipment manufacturer in the world. Our vision is building a first-class enterprise, fostering first-class talent, and making first-class contributions to society. Welcome to Sany. The company develops a diverse production portfolio ranging from concrete, earth-moving, mining, and port machinery, as well as wind power mills, heavy-duty trucks, and precast modular system. All of the equipment on display are our best sellers. Sany trailer-mounted concrete pumps have participated in almost all the construction of the high-rise buildings in China and globally, like Shanghai Center and Burj Khalifa Tower. Sany excavators rank number 1 in China. More than 60,000 units are sold each year. Here is a history of tenacity and advancement by Sany in 3 decades. Now, Sany is implementing 2 corporate strategies: globalization and digitalization. As for globalization, Sany has 13 manufacturing bases and more than 25,000 employees worldwide. Regarding digitization, different systems were implemented for intelligent manufacturing and automation. In 2010, hoisting with Sany's SCC 4000 crawler crane, 33 trapped miners in a copper mine accident in Chile were saved out. In 2011, Sany donated a 62-meter concrete pump to participate in the nuclear leakage rescue in Fukushima and help them tackle the crisis. There is Sany's No. 18 plant. Next, my colleague Rosha will tour you around.
The concrete machines like pump trucks, trailer pumps, and line pumps are produced in this plant. Here you can see the whole manufacturing process of the products from a steel plate into finished goods. The whole process is divided into 6 parts: fabrication, welding, painting, vertical warehousing, unmanned CNC machining, and assembling. Next, I'll show you around these places one by one. Here is the assembly line Sany pump truck. There are 12 stations. Every 45 minutes, a set of pump truck rolls off line. Materials and parts are stored in this vertical warehouse and conveyed by AGVs controlled by cutting-edge 5G technology. Here comes the unmanned blanking workshop. From a steel plate to a component, we only need 1 instruction to achieve in 4 steps. The utilization rate of raw materials increased by 5%, which dramatically cut down the cost. The welding workshop is equipped with multiple automatic welding lines for 4 major components of concrete pumps: swing assembly, front outrigger, rear outrigger, and pedestal. The CNC machining center mainly produces valve blocks, pins of pump trucks with extremely high precision and safety requirements. Over 300 kinds of spare parts are processed here with intelligent and unmanned processing technology. The display console plays an important role in our production process. It provides us with an intelligent brain to carry out the scheduling of production plans, equipment, personnel, and materials. All key components displayed here are researched and developed by Sany independently. Remote controllers, engines, reducers, piston pumps, motors, hydraulic cylinders. In the lounge of No. 18 plant, Sany workers can take a rest, drink tea, and have a chat. The automation rate of number 18 Flagship factory exceeds 85% with the production capacity doubled. The manufacturing cycle shortened over 18% and the area saved by over 30,000 square meters. The garden-like intelligent plant, integrated with technology, humanity, and mission, interprets Sany's goal: quality changes the world, helping Sany become a leading enterprise of the Belt and Road. A brief VR tour showcases Sany's capabilities and technologies. We sincerely welcome you to pay a personal visit at your convenience. Seeing is believing. Thank you so much for your time. Goodbye.